So we probably should have started filming this shit a long time ago when this car actually started.
It starts now.
It starts now?
Yeah.
This car's gone through like 3 engines. 4 engines. All kinds of rebuilds. This thing sat in his driveway for about 5 months. So he basically just went out drifting a couple weeks ago. And broke some shit on his car, so we're gonna drop the subframe and pull out this little bolt right there. So this is a new little bolt thing. The alignment something.
Yeah, it's for the alignment. It's like the centered something.
I don't know, centric alignment bolt thing.
Yeah.
Goes in there.
Oh shit. As the whole freaking starts coming down. I don't even know what I'm doing. Whoa, dude, this bolt.
Is it fucked?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Oh,
dude.
So this is pretty much how it goes when I come and help Anthony. I kind of just sit here and watch him do everything, and then I'll grab him like a tooler every
half hour.
Every half hour, I'll probably just take a trip to the toolbox. Maybe I'll jack up the car once in a while. Because this guy got the cheapest jack from Harbor Freight and it lowers by itself.
And the electric ratchet is on the other side of the car.
That's what I'm here for. It's your birthday.
So hot. The sun's coming out. We're complaining, but it's probably like 200 degrees in like Arizona.
It's over here like 75.
I know. 75 and sunny, and we're crying about it.
Oh
yeah. Look at that thing, dude. Got a chunk taken out right there.
That thing is messed up. It's flat all right there.
Well, it's supposed to be.
Oh, it's supposed to be flat right there.
See how it's flat? It's so that this thing doesn't like spin around, so it stays put.
Interesting.
So when you're adjusting the alignment, you're turning it and it turns the thing.
The whole thing? Yeah, yeah.
And this like oval thing forward. Too cool.
Yeah. The car looks nice from a distance.
Hey.
As long as you're like at least 5 feet away, yeah. You're squinting and you're 5 feet away. Looks pretty cool. See, as long as you're 5 feet back and squinting, you don't even notice it. How long ago did you get it painted?
What, like a month? Alright.
No, it's stuck. It's your first time doing this shit?
What?
Is this your first time ever working on this thing or what?
Second time. Yeah, already hurting myself.
When you were hitting her with a hammer, you can at least expect her to scratch you.
Now we got Dude, you know what? This thing is freaking screwed.
What?
Because the whole part of the subframe where this thing rotates inside is all jacked up.
Oh yeah, it's not gonna hold it.
You see how it's not a ridge? It's
Yeah.
like right there, it just flushes out.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
So next thing is getting that stupid bolt back on the subframe.
Yeah, that's good. In the hole.
Get her in the hole. We got the subframe back in the little stud thing, and then now he's tightening up the alignment tool thing going into the...
Well, I'm bending back this.
I don't think you need to bend it back.
Well, that way when they do my alignment, they can get their wrench in here, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, so you're helping out the next person.
Yeah.
When in doubt, force it in.
Force it in. Words to live by.
That socket one
Which one?
on the other side of the car.
Oh, I'm up. Have you turned it on with the exhaust off before?
Why you want me to turn it on?
Yeah.
You put my cord inside the door.
Oh, did it fall in? Maybe if you actually had a working door. This guy's car. It doesn't even freaking work. Holy shit. Holy shit, it's so loud. Down she goes. Take her for a spin. Ah, the cocoon. Alright. We'll look up how to get a cocoon off and then we'll take it for a spin.
So we're just gonna tighten
Very
that
sensitive,
right
just
there.
knocked it around everywhere.
Yeah, you can see I am shaking it around a bit. You just gotta make sure you don't do that.
Ooh, yeah. Start a business doing that. Butterfly.
Relocating. Butterfly relocation. Wow, look at him. He looks even more natural right there.
Natural. That was only at like 5 pounds. Right now it's only on 8 for the safe too. I feel like I haven't driven this in so long.
Well, you're just waiting to put that bolt in.
Yeah. But I mean, we went drifting like not that long
It sounds like a freaking jet, dude. Holy shit.
ago. Oh yeah, but like I could have the
power steering?
you hit.
Oh yeah, what the
Dude, it's,
what the hell? It sounds weird.
It's so Oh dude, look at the lizard.
Where? Oh, he's sunbathing. He's just chilling.
It's like got his nuts all up on the wall.
No, it's nuts are roasting. So I guess that's it for the day, right? Fix the little bolt you need to fix. First video. We don't even know if this shit's gonna come out. Might, I don't know.
It would have to come out. We would have to have a channel name by the time it came
That's
out.
what I'm saying. So we don't know what the hell we're doing, but
Once we think of a name.
yeah, once we think of a name, then we might put it out. No, we'll put it out. And then we're also gonna be doing like flight vlogs too.
Yeah.
It's like flight vlogs, like RC shit. Like I'm super into like FPV drone. He's all into like flying those big ass planes. I don't know if you could see it. He flies those like giant RC planes. We also have like some RC gas cars.
We?
Oh yeah, yours broke. This broke. I still have mine. I don't know. We're gonna still keep doing this shit maybe. See how it goes. But yeah, catch you guys later.